Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding the sums which we are doing in our class, right? So let us proceed our class and let us see what we are going to do in today's class. So in today's class, as you know that today is Monday, we will be doing Math Magic Chapter 1, Where to Look From. So children, in today's class, we will solve sums from page 9 to 12. That means page 9, 10, 11 and 12 we will do in our today's class. So let us proceed to our class, children. So children, this is page number 9 from your book. So here mirror halves is the topic given. We have done this in tit for tat in page number 8 also. So you have got some idea regarding mirror half, right? I have shown you in the last class also that if you place a picture, half of the picture, and if you place a mirror in that near to that, beside that half picture, it will turn out to be the full picture. Yes, so in this way we can form the mirror half. So children, in this picture, in this page, different pictures are given and you have to find that if the pictures can form its mirror half or not. Okay, so let us see. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? The question is that does the dotted line divide this image? You can see dotted lines are there. Yes, in each picture there is one dotted line. So you have to find out that if this dotted line is dividing these pictures into two mirror halves or not. Okay, so let us see the first picture. Dotted line is there. So dotted line is dividing the mirror half into two equal halves. Yes, in this picture dotted line is dividing the mirror half into this half and this half is same. Yes, so in the second picture also this half and this half is same. Yes, in the third picture this half, the dotted line is, there is a horizontal line. Yes, and this horizontal line is dividing a triangle into two equal halves, but these halves are not similar. Yes, so in this picture also this half and this half are same. In this picture also it's an opposite triangle and this half is same, but you can see the picture of tree is given and the dotted line is given horizontally. So the mirror image is not formed here, so it is not the one. So in letter B, if we divide letter B by horizontal line, it will form symmetrical figure. It will form its mirror half. And letter T also, if we divide letter T with a vertical line. See children, this is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. I know you all know this. Yes, the line from top to up and down, top to bottom is called vertical line, and this line from left to right is called horizontal line. So we can see T is also forming a mirror half. Now this shape, yes, it is a shape of a rhombus. When a line is drawn in between this shape, it is not forming the mirror half. And next shape here also, you can see when the horizontal line is drawn, the two halves are not similar, so it is not forming the mirror half. Yes, for this and this you will do by your own. You will find if the images are forming its mirror half or not. Now children, let us see how you will do this one. Okay, so here in this manner you will do. If it's forming a mirror half, you will write yes below. Okay, you will write yes below. In this manner, if it's forming a mirror half, so you will write yes. Here it's forming a mirror half, so you will write no. This image, it is not forming a mirror half, so you will write no. Okay, the opposite triangle, it is forming a mirror half, you will write yes. The tree is not forming a mirror half, you will write no. B is forming a mirror half when horizontal line is drawn. So you will write yes, T, yes. This shape, rhombus, it is not forming the mirror half. So you will write no. It is also not forming the mirror half, no. So from here you will do by yourself. Understood, children? Let me tell you again. So the one which is forming mirror half, below it you will write Y-E-S, yes. Okay, if it's forming mirror half, you will write below it yes. So in this manner you will write your answer in your book. Now children, give some more examples. Here you have to draw the figure and you have to give some more examples of mirror half. For example, if I draw a circle, I am drawing a circle, and if I am dividing the circle by a horizontal line, yes, by a horizontal line. I am so sorry, my line is not straight, but you have to use scale and make a straight line. If you divide image by a horizontal line, see, it will form mirror image. So in this way you can give more example. You can form a square also. You can form a square, yes, and you can draw a straight line on a square. You can draw a straight line on a square and you can see that mirror image is formed. So in this way you can draw different image. Okay, in this way you can draw different image here also and here also, which forms mirror image. You have to draw the picture of those shapes only, or you can use the picture of letters also. When we divide it into two halves, it will form the mirror image. Hope it is clear to you all. Yes. So I have given more examples out here. See, you can draw these images also. Yes, this one, rectangle. If you divide rectangle with a vertical line, it will form mirror half. You can draw this type of star also. You will not draw this star, but if you draw this star and if you draw a vertical line, it will also form a mirror image. So in this manner you can draw different image in if you want to give more examples. Okay. Now next is page number 10. See, using a dotted line, in the previous page dotted line was there, yes, but now in this page you have to use dotted line and you have to divide the pictures into two similar halves. Okay, you have to use dotted line and you can use both horizontal line also and vertical line also, and you have to divide these pictures into two similar halves. Let us see which pictures will be divided into two similar halves. We will divide those pictures only, and the picture which will not be divided into two similar halves, we will leave that picture. So if we draw a line, you don't have to put arrow. I don't have a straight line, that is why I am using an arrow, but you have to use pens. You don't have to put arrow, you will just draw a line only. Understood, children? Make it clear. So we are dividing come into two mirror halves. See, these are looking similar, yes. This envelope also, if we draw a vertical line in between the envelope, it will also be same. Yes, it will be same half. Both halves will be same.